Namaste. Welcome to Pranayama class part 2. In part 1, we learned some different pranayamas. Now in this part 2, we will learn some other special pranayamas with bandhas or energy locks. Let's begin with Surya Veda Pranayama. Vitality stimulating breath. Empty your body by exhaling completely through left nostril. Now close your left nostril. Inhale slowly and deeply without making any sound through the right nostril. At the end of inhalation, hold both the nostrils, close and lower the head to perform Jalandhar Bandha, pressing the chin against the chest. Retaining the breath inside, perform Molabandha or anal lock. Hold for as long as possible. Release Molabandha, then Jalandhar Bandha and raise the head. Keep the right nostril closed. Open the left nostril and slowly exhale through the left nostril. Very slowly exhale the breath. If necessary, a few normal breaths can be taken between rounds while the hands remain relaxed on the knees. The eyes remain closed and you concentrate on the space in front of the closed eyes. Then commence another round. Breathe in through the right nostril. Retain the breath inside for as long as possible and breathe out very slowly through the left nostril. Practice up to 10 rounds, or this pranayama should again and again be performed. This pranayama purifies the brain and destroys the intestinal worms and diseases arising from excess of wind or vayu. And also it cures rhinitis and various sorts of neuralgia pains. The worms that are found in the frontal sinuses are removed. It destroys decay and death and also stimulates vital power. Pranayama is a scientific process of internal purification. Draws the mind inwards and connects to deeper levels of consciousness. Prana is one, but it has many functions to do. Hence, it assumes 5 names according to the different functions it performs, that is, Prana, Apana, Samana, Udana and Vyana. That is called Pancha Pranalu, 5 kinds of vitality. The sources of the Pancha Prana is Mahaprana. This Mahaprana is the cosmic energy. Close your eyes, relax. Now, Ujjayi Pranayama, victorious breath. A deep inhalation like this sound through your throat. Hold your breath for few seconds and engage Jalandhar Bandha or chin or throat lock for few seconds or as long as possible. Release the Jalandhar Bandha. Move your head neutral and exhale very slowly through your left nostril by closing the right nostril. Benefits of exhalation through left nostril. Exhalation through left nostril energizes cells in the right lobe of the brain. It enhances memory power, visual perception, creative and intuitive abilities, control negativity, and helps to relax mind and body. Relax, take some normal breaths. practice several times or at least 5 to 15 minutes. This pranayama expands the lungs, refreshes the brain, broadens the chest like a victorious conqueror, hence the name Victorious Breath. The vibrations and sound created in the throat is nourishing, calming and healing. This pranayama refreshes brain, calms and stimulates vagus nerve and cranial muscles, enhances lung capacity, nourishes throat, vocal cords, relieves thyroid problems, asthma, bronchitis, migraine, and also relieve high and low BP, acidity, anxiety, depression, insomnia, sleep apnea, snoring, etc. Vagus nerve is a remarkable cranial nerve and longest nerve in the body that controls the functions of throat, voice box, windpipe, thyroid glands, lungs, heart and abdomen. It stimulates brain and heart, wraps around the abdomen and controls thoughts and feelings. With the activation of vagus nerve, the neurotransmitter is released in the nervous system. This neurotransmitter improves attention, learning abilities, memory power, controls stress-related damages in the whole body, calms and relaxes mind and body. Do not clench your teeth, tense your face or strain your throat or lungs during this pranayama practice. During inhalation, this pranayama, like this sound is created. Beginners will have some difficulties, but with regular early morning practice, they can overcome the difficulties and master this pranayama within few weeks. Now, Sitali Pranayama, cooling breath. Stick out the tip of your tongue between your pursed lips. Curl your tongue lengthwise like a flexible tube. Inhale deeply through your mouth, allowing the air to pass through the tube of your tongue. After full inhalation, withdraw your tongue in and close your mouth. Retention breathe for few seconds with Jalandhar Bandha. Release the Jalandhar Bandha or chin lock and move your head neutral and exhale very slowly through your both nostrils. This pranayama reduces heat, cools the brain, eyes, ears, nose, mouth and skin, purifies blood and air passages, quenches thirst, appeases hunger, prevents migraine, high blood pressure, stabilizes sweat glands, controls sweating of palms, heart pulses and anger. This pranayama naturally cools the cells in the body, hence the name cooling breath. A unique pranayama where inhalations are through the mouth and exhalations are through the nostrils. As you progress, feel the cooling effect gradually spreading from the throat to your eyes, ears, face, chest and the rest of the body. Practice this pranayama on hot days or after a vigorous yoga practice. Exhalations must be slow, steady, long and not abrupt or fast. Longer exhalations are soothing and calming. They remove excess heat and toxins from the body, build abilities to adjust and adapt to changing situations. Inward focus is essential for rhythm. Do not practice this pranayama when you have cold, congestion in chest, cough asthma, tonsillitis, etc. Now, relaxation, supine relaxation. Relaxation is most important after completion of breathing exercises or pranayamas in yoga sequence. Practice this pranayama class part 1 and 2 and bandhas regularly with determination and a positive attitude. Thank you.